Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. So may Allah bless you. Always keep smile and live happy. So very amazing and different and unique and different stylish areas. I hope you like it. So very amazing and different and unique stylish areas. I hope you like it. Different or very pretty and unique new stylish and different collections. Watch this most amazing and very pretty areas. So keep watching our channel at starting to end and connected with me.
What is this?
Because all these unique new styles and different ideas are bestly can share with you very most stunning
ठीक है मैं ये उठाऊंगी दोबारा
and
और मैं
beautiful
पूछूंगी दाऊद ये क्या है तो
and
आप
this
देखोगे
beautiful
क्या कहोगे
and unique and different unique styles areas.
ये
I hope you will like it. There are different and unique styles.
चलो अभी अपनी चीज़ है ना अपने पास रखो
So keep watching with our channel.
तो मैं बहुत बुरा मारूंगी कल ठीक है
So friends, I hope you will like it. I hope you will like this all these beautiful and unique areas. I can share you very amazing and different and unique stylish areas. So keep watching all these best and unique new styles and different collections. So friends, keep watching new designs and very pretty ideas of different or pretty. I hope you will like it. In this beautiful and unique stylish areas. Keep watching.
अभी जल जाऊंगी बर्तन अभी धो रहे थे बेचारे
Areas. Christmas decoration stylish areas beautifully. And friends, this beautiful and unique and beautiful stylish areas. Keep watching our channels at starting. So very amazing and different and unique and different stylish areas. So keep watching our channel. So friends, I hope you like it. It's different and unique stylish areas. Keep watching our channels. This Christmas decoration stylish areas or birth ideas, Christmas wreath collections. So keep watching our channel. Allah Hafiz friends, see you.